Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to get whatnot credits. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the application itself. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and get whatnot credits. So the main way to get credits on whatnot is through the buy referral program. You can open whatnot and tap on gift icon on the home screen or referral hub. So in the bottom right corner, we have, as you can see, home, category, sell, activity, and account. Click on the bottom right corner, click on account. And there, as you can see, we have affiliate program, payment, address, verified buyer, etc. We have a lot of things here, as you can see. But you need to go and click, as I told you, and find we have the referral and my rewards, where you can get those coupons and credits, which you can, of course, then go and use. So as you can see, we have complete setup account, which will also get you some credits. We had the, of course, add there, get 150 on us. So those are going to be also your credits. Click referral and credits here. So earn rewards and unlock perks. You can go and click on there to, of course, see everything. So make referral. Your friend receives a random credit between 10 and 200. Get paid. You get the matching credit when your friend received the first purchase. So that's also what you do. You do get the same. We have one that you no limit. The more friends you find, the more you earn. Click on copy, give them the, of course, link, and when they do everything, get the purchases. In the top right corner, as you can see, where we have 0 credits, we will get the credits. We have credits, we have pending credits, the rewards history, and you can refresh to see what's happening there. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. That will be everything, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.